Ecology and economy. The two ecos are called for in today's world, in which sustainability is needed. These two ecos are said to have derived from the Greek term oikos, meaning house. In other words, they are both elements that we cannot do without on Earth, which is our home. Economy, for efficient economic activities, and ecology, which are social activities for the conservation of the environment. Maintaining them results in sustainability. SMT production sites are also required to achieve these. Yamaha Motor will propose the establishment of earth-friendly and eco-friendly production systems by improving production sites' efficiency and productivity with our unique concept of one-stop smart solution, including newly developed machines. Leading the way in super high-efficient production is the new YR series machine lineup with its new generation platform. Let's take a look at the printer at the start of the line first. The premium printer, YRP10. It achieves high-speed and high-accuracy solder paste printing and fully automated setup changeover. It also supports dual-lane use. Core cycle time of 6 seconds. It has achieved the world's fastest level of printing that does not waste mounter speed. At the same time, the newly developed high-rigidity platform has achieved high printing accuracy of 6 sigma plus or minus 16 micrometers. We have newly developed the highly rigid table adjustment beam and the function that corrects movement position. The adjustment effects improves straight movement and achieves high accuracy printing, enabling high speed and high quality printing. Setup and changeover has also been fully automated. The most time-consuming setup can be done in only 1/3 the time it used to take. There are 4 automatic setup functions. Automatic push-up pin exchange. The pins are automatically placed in the best position. The pins can be placed at a pitch of 2.5 millimeters, supporting a wide range of PCBs. Automatic stencil replacement. If the stencils for the next production are preset, the machine automatically replaces the stencils. Automatic solder transfer. The solder remaining on the used stencil is automatically scooped up and placed on the new replaced stencil. Automatic solder refillment. The PSC system that automatically supplies solder and controls the filling power of solder now supports 12-ounce syringes, enabling non-stop production for many hours. There are also extensive functions to improve printing quality. Yamaha's unique 3S head. It can freely change the squeegee's attacking angle to freely control the filling power of solder. The squeegee's shape and material have been updated for better rolling and higher filling power. The amount of adhered residual solder on the squeegee is also controlled to reduce solder waste. Stencil suction function. During printing, the PCB and the stencil are fitted closely together to support steady printing. Furthermore, YRP10 supports not just single-lane use, but also fully independent dual-lane use. Connecting 2 YRP10s enables dual-lane use, catering to diverse production. YRP10, the new premium printer that achieves high speed and high-quality printing with fully automated setup. Next, let's take a look at super high-efficiency dual-lane modular YRM20DL. With full dual-lane use, this super high-efficiency modular mounter significantly improves throughput from the same area. 3 things make this possible. 1. 3 types of heads that can be freely combined. RM head, the super high-speed rotary head. By combining with high-speed ZSR feeders and dual-lane conveyors, it achieves the speed of 120,000 CPH, one of the fastest in the world for this class. Despite being a rotary head, it allows mounting ranging from 0.201 mm to 12 mm square size, supporting fine pitch components. HM head, the flexible high-speed inline head. It has achieved 98,000 CPH thanks to the newly developed servo system and repeatedly improved mechanical composition, etc. It supports components of sizes ranging from 0.201 mm to 55 by 100 mm. The one-head solution achieves high speed and flexibility at the same time. Both RM head and HM head allow mounting in high accuracy mode, achieving an accuracy of plus or minus 15 micrometers. FM head, an inline head that supports odd-shaped components with a focus to take on varying components. It is best for tall components such as condensers and connectors. Second, the newly developed high-rigidity dual-lane conveyor. It can convey PCBs of up to 810 by 330 millimeters. For PCBs with lengths of up to 380 millimeters, the heads at the front and back operate without interfering at all, causing no losses from the head's weighting. For single-lane use, it can convey PCBs of up to 810 by 610 millimeters. It can convey the extra large size PCBs, including those for automotive, industrial, and medical use, power devices, and for LED lighting, to name a few. Third is its various non-stopping setup functions, significantly contributing to the reduction of losses due to production stoppages during setup. Automatic push-up pin exchange. The machine automatically places push-up pins and reduces the workload during setup changeover. Non-stop feeder carriage exchange. Setup to replace the carriage can be done without stopping production of another lane. Automatic tray feeder EATS30. It allows feeding of tray components by pallet without stopping production. Auto-loading feeder. If the next reel is preset, the machine loads it automatically, allowing feeding setup at any timing you like. YRM20DL, the super high-efficiency dual-lane modular with improved actual productivity and productivity per area. Let's take a look at YRIV, the 3D hybrid optical inspection system. It is a high-end AOI with 2D, 3D inspection and 4-angle inspections in a single system and supports dual-lane use as well. It comes with a newly developed inspection head with a high-speed and high-resolution camera, as well as high-performance GPU to achieve the industry's fastest inspection speed. It allows high-accuracy 3D inspection of super tiny 0.201 mm components mounting and fine pitch mounting without their blind spots getting in the way. It has improved capabilities to detect damage, cracks, and chips and the like with mirror surface finished components thanks to its coaxial lighting. With automated functions, AI, and deep learning, inspection data can now be created effortlessly and without skills, reducing the workload of operators. YRIV, the high-end 3D AOI that identifies quality accurately with the industry's highest inspection speed as well as multiple functions. With the 3 YR series machines we have seen so far, a super high-efficient Yamaha dual lane will be perfected. It can cater to many different productions, such as parallel mounting of 2 PCBs of the same or different types, alternate mounting, and intervened mounting. Even within the same line, the production method can be selected for each machine, which allows the best production method to be selected and combined for various product PCBs. This can also significantly reduce convey losses and the like. Even for dual-lane production lines, Yamaha has achieved one-stop smart solution, as the best production method can be chosen for each product PCB, and as machines can be linked and software can be managed centrally. Wise Up, the group of software to seamlessly link high-spec systems for super high-efficiency production, has kept evolving. A new effort begins, combining All Image Tracer Plus with process correlation and the analyzing dashboard to support quick identification of what caused defects and making improvements. YRM20's RM head is additionally mounted with an All Image Tracer Plus camera to take shots of all components being picked up and mounted. By taking 5 shots of before pickup, during pickup, after pickup, before mounting, and after mounting, the system significantly reduces the number of analytical processes after errors occur. For example, there was a case of production of a certain PCB dropping. When we examined it, we found out that the pickup rate for certain components was low. When we checked images from All Image Tracer Plus, recent lots of that particular component were seen causing much fluff. We asked components manufacturers to improve the process and successfully prevented defects. In another case, the machine stopped from a returned component error. The All Image Tracer Plus images showed that the nozzle was dirty and caused the component to keep sticking to the nozzle. Once the nozzle was washed, the operation was successfully restarted. As illustrated, various Wise Up software and machines can be linked to analyze the cause quickly and steadily to make improvements. It is the one-stop smart solution that makes this connected system possible. With the latest YR series being completed, Yamaha's SMT lineup range has further powered up, being the best in the industry. Efficient production with limited space and cost as economy, saving energy and reducing the workload on people as ecology. Yamaha's one-stop smart solution with infinite possibilities. Sustainable production sites and a sustainable future for the Earth. The manufacturing that Yamaha strives for is evolving to a new stage.